Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Do y'all know what month it is? Do ya? It is June! Can you tell? One more hit. My eyeshadow, my jacket, my lashes, my glam. It is Pride! Happy Pride, everyone. It is time to bust up every single color in your eyeshadow palettes, in your wardrobe, and throw it all on because we are celebrating Pride. Although we are celebrating it a little bit differently this year, we are here to celebrate it here on YouTube virtually. And with that being said, today's video is sponsored by YouTube Originals in support of a very important cause to raise money for the Trevor Project. The Trevor Project is the world's largest suicide prevention and crisis intervention organization for the LGBTQ youth. The reason why I want to get myself involved in this campaign is because I want to celebrate Pride with a purpose this year. All month long, I'll be working with YouTube and other creators to raise money for Trevor through the donate button that you see to the right of this video. During the month of June, YouTube is matching every dollar donated to the Trevor Project on YouTube through the Give with Pride challenge up to max of $250,000. So if we hit our 500,000 goal by June 19th, I have vowed to bleach my eyebrows on YouTube's live stream event happening on June 25th, YouTube Pride 2021. Let's hit that goal so we can have some fun. You can see my eyeshadow better if I bleach my brows. I don't know. So if you can, please donate using the donate button, and don't forget to join our Pride event, YouTube Pride 2021 on June 25th, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, only on YouTube. Let's party and celebrate with a purpose for Trevor. Happy Pride, and remember, you are everything.